Have a wonderful app idea, have the money, have everything in place, but don't know how to find the right developer. Here's the video for you with all the details on how to find the best developer for your particular idea. I'm Deep from iBigSo, and today we are going to discuss how you can find or what is the process to find a more suitable or most suitable developers for your project. Okay, before we discuss any further, there are two options. Either you have a CTO sort of person who have a bit technical knowledge, who knows that what set of technology can be used in the platform what you're looking for. Second, you hire an agency with a complete detailed knowledge on the type of developers can be used, a complete facility in place. The first options, the guy is going to guide you, your partner can guide you towards every single step, because developers, as I mentioned in the last video, developers don't have business mind, they don't know anything, they don't understand anything. They are sharp minds, but in coding they can get you the best output in the world, but that is not all it takes. What it takes is understanding the business. What it takes is guiding them or using the developers in the right way so that you can get most out of them. So if you have a CTO or someone or a technical guy who can guide them every single day, monitor them every single day, that is the best place. You hire a best set of freelancers or small agencies who can assist you, right? Coming to the second option, you might not have a technical guy, or you have a technical guy in place but he's not that experienced, or he don't have enough time. Cost is not going to change a lot, but you hire agencies like iBigSo who have business analysts, project managers in place with the development team, right? So they understand your business, they implement your business, they document your business, and then they develop your business. So the whole process, what you have to do, is been done by an agency like iBigSo. Not just iBigSo, there are many other companies you can explore, but of course I'm going to promote iBigSo, right? So hire a company like iBigSo who is going to do A to Z work for you, right? Understanding your requirements, finding the best solution, reviewing your competition, analyzing your competition, choosing the best set of features, and then getting it implemented. And while implementation, there is the project manager who is going to be the key between you and the developers, so there is no communication gap. Okay, let's talk about the homework you need to do before you approach a developer. Right? You need to have a fixed set of requirement, at least initially, so that the developer can understand your requirements, can evaluate your work, and can see that whether they have the capacity to do the work, whether they have the knowledge to do the work, or whether they are in a situation to take that amount of work based on the time period it takes. If you have time and understanding, I would prefer to write down what all the things you are looking for and draw a sketch of the application or the website. You draw it with a pen and paper, that is absolutely fine. Any rough idea will help them to understand, will help you to be on the same page of understanding with the developers, which is going to cut off many problems. Now there are millions of developers down there in the market. You go to Upwork, you go to Freelancer, you go to People Per Hour, you go to any freelancing sites. There are millions of agencies who are dealing with similar sort of ideas development like what you are interested in. But what is the best way to find the perfect solution for yourself? Point one, see that what sort of resources you need. See whether your partner or whether the development partner understands your business requirement, whether they know what you're looking for, whether they know what sort of customers are you after and what it takes to get that customers in place at the right time. You need to understand that first. If you are on the same page of understanding, not in terms of just the development but overall business idea, you have cracked half the process. Based on your budget, try to see where you want to go. Like again, this is, I mentioned this in the brief in the last video. You choose the country, you choose the communication method, and can choose that what is the best way to go with which company and how. Now, the most important thing is choosing a particular company. You have already filtered out the country you want to go with, the set of technology you might require. Now you are trying to find out the company. The best way is to sit down with them and ask questions related to your business. They are at the stage so that is for sure that they are technologically perfect. They know what they want to do. But then sit down with them and ask questions about your business and try to take suggestions. That is where you are going to understand that whether they understand your business or not, whether they have the capacity to implement, whether they have the capacity to correct the mistakes you have in your plan. Developers do this every day, right? So if they understand your business correctly, they can implement it in much better way because they have been doing this since a long period of time and they know what is right, what is not. At least generic way, not specific to your country or your business market, but generically they know that what is a good set of things to be done and what is not to be done. Apart from that, also see that what level of support they are providing after the development has been completed. They are providing 3 months, 6 months, a year of support, or even after the support period is completed, whether they have the capacity to get a support staff even that is paid, right? If you're earning, that is fine, you are ready to pay, but there need to be a set of facility which can be used after the development is completed. Now you have done all this, right? But a step in the process is finding the developer. You can Google it like everyone does. You can Upwork, freelancer, you can do n number of things. The most important thing in the process is sit down with the developer, filter down them, sit down, have an hour of conversation and try to understand that you guys are on the same page of understanding. Finding a resource is not a difficult thing. Finding a resource or a company with whom you share the same level of understanding, not just in development, but in the process and the business as well. You can sit down with the development team or the main person who is handling your project for an hour and see that what sort of mindset they are having, whether they have the capacity, whether they have all the knowledge, and apart from that, whether it matches your level of understanding. So that is it for now. My name is Deep. Ending this video, but if you're looking for a development partner, get in touch with us. You can reach me at +91 99137 96777. That is the number, same on the WhatsApp and direct line as well. Stay tuned, stay safe, and implement your idea in the right way. We have a set of developers, we have a set of business analysts, project managers to assist you in the whole process. Don't worry, stay in touch, and see you in the next video.